we know that the spectral lines of hydrogen atom. So according to Bohr postulate, when the electrons jump one energy level to another energy level, its ends are observed some amount of electromagnetic radiation. The energy should be equal to h nu. If the electron transition of the electron from n is equal to here n is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite to n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite to n1 is equal to 1. So if the electron is transmission from higher energy level n2 to n1, it emits some amount of energy. So the energy radiated in the line spectrum, that is called the lines are called Lyman series. So series lines are spectral lines are called as Lyman series. So when the electrons jump from n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite orbits to n is equal to 1 orbit, electron is transmitted from 2 to 1. So Lyman series is formed. So K alpha, K beta, K gamma. So the Lyman series is lies in electromagnetic spectrum in UV region, ultraviolet region, Lyman spectrum. Lyman series is lies in the electromagnetic spectrum in which region? UV region. So 1 by lambda maximum is equal to R into, so 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the equation. When n2 is equal to 2, 3 and so on up to infinite, n1 is equal to 1. The electron is transition from n2 to 1. So Lyman series is occurring. So the wavelength, maximum wavelength in Lyman series R into 1 by, this is 1 square minus 1 by, this is 2 square. Okay. So the value lambda maximum is equal to here 4 minus 1 by 4. So 3 R by 4. So the lambda maximum value should be equal to the lambda maximum value 1212 angstroms. So lambda minimum is equal to 912 angstroms. So that means when the electron n1 is equal to here, n2 is equal to infinite to n1 is equal to 1, it is having a minimum wavelength, the minimum wavelength 912 angstroms. Okay. So when the electron is transmitted from higher energy level 2, 3, 4 up to infinite to first energy level n is equal to 1. So the Lyman series is occurring. The Lyman series is lie in the electromagnetic spectrum in UV region. The maximum wavelength of Lyman series 1212 angstroms. The minimum wavelength of Lyman series 912 angstroms. Okay. So then next the electron is transmitted from n is equal to 3, 4, 5 up to infinite orbitals to n is equal to 2 orbitals. Here Balmer series is formed. The Balmer series in electromagnetic spectrum, Balmer series lies in visible region. Okay. In Balmer series, the maximum wavelength. So here 1 by lambda is equal to R into, so 1 by n1 square. n1 square means here 2 square minus n2 square means 3 square. So n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3. The electron is transmitted from 3 to n is equal to 3 to n1 is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. So where the maximum wavelength of Balmer series lambda maximum should be equal to 6586 angstroms, 68 angstroms, 6568 angstroms. The minimum wavelength is equal to 3638 angstroms. Okay, so when the electron is transmitted, n is equal to 3 to n is equal to n1 is equal to 2. So the maximum wavelength is occurring. So maximum wavelength 6568 angstroms. When the electron is n2 is equal infinite to n1 is equal to transmitted, the minimum wavelength of Balmer series 3638 angstroms. Okay, so the Balmer series in electromagnetic spectrum, Balmer series visible in invisible region. It lies in visible region. Then the electron is transmitted from n is equal to 4, 5 and 6 and so on, so on up to infinite region to n is equal to 3. The bracket series is formed. Bracket series is formed. Bracket series lie in electromagnetic spectrum in IR region near Paschen series. The Paschen series is formed. The Paschen series is lies in near IR region. Then next one is bracket series. When the electron is jumped from n is equal to 5 and 6, 7 up to infinite to n is equal to 4, the bracket series is formed. The bracket series is lies in electromagnetic spectrum in IR region. And then if the electron is jumped from n is equal to 6, 7, 8 and up to infinite to n is equal to 5, the Pfund series is formed. Pfund series also available in electromagnetic spectrum in IR region, far IR region. Okay, so the spectral lines of hydrogen spectrum. In hydrogen spectrum, so here first series is called the Lyman series. It is visible in UV region. Second one is the Balmer series. It is lies on visible region. And third one is Paschen series. It is visible in near IR region. And fourth one is bracket series. Bracket series lies in electromagnetic spectrum in IR region. And last one is Pfund series. Pfund series lies in electromagnetic spectrum far IR region. When the Lyman series is formed, the electrons are transmitted from n is equal to 2, 3, 4 up to infinite orbits to n1 is equal to 1 orbit. So 2 to 1, the electron transmission is occurring. 2 to 1 Lyman series is formed. When the electron transmission is occurring from n is equal to 3 to 2, Balmer series is formed. When the electron transmission is occurring in n is equal to 4 to 3, Paschen series is formed. When the electron transmission is occurring in n is equal to 5 to 4, bracket series is formed. And then electrons is transmitted from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 5, Pfund series is formed. Okay, these are called spectral lines of hydrogen spectrum. We can find out the maximum wavelength and minimum wavelength by using this formula. 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here r is the Rydberg constant. The value should be equal to 1.097 into 10 power 7. n1 means lower orbit number and n2 is the upper orbit number. When the electron is transmitted from upper orbit to lower orbit, the energy is radiated or emitted. Okay, so due to that, the series are formed. Lyman series and Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series and Pfund series are formed. Thank you.